What's up? All right, so we're starting new. I made some new rules. Okay. Oh shit. ISIG just put me in the profit. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I need to get ready to cut right here. Hold on. Taking one there. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Another one at 1247. Just took another one. And another. And another. So we got two more shares. I almost want to see what it does. That's crazy. I was just down like $12 and then it just boom. You got about 15 minutes till market open. And it just behaves like this right now? That's so strange. But I guess it's worth it, you know. There you go. I'll take one there. And now it looks like it's going to run hard, so I'm going to wait and take that last one on a real nice run up. So we're getting a big dump here. But it might want to bounce back, so we're gonna see. Okay, I'm actually gonna hold that last share. I think it wants to go farther up, so I'm just gonna hold that last one and see what it does. Let me go grab my tea. Are we even recording? Yes. Okay. Let's go. Yes, I'm real interested in what's going on. With this stock. It looks like shorts just boom. They saw the liquidity, they got out. My theory is they're gonna cover again when there's more liquidity, because I don't there's either not enough liquidity right now, or they have to slowly cover. Which I don't think is gonna be the case. I think they're gonna want the stock to go down a little bit more, and then they're gonna cover. So I might see a run to like $13 maybe. Let's see if this is it. Let's see if we get some good short cover right now, or or what's going on. Let's check it out. But anyways, yeah, I was trying to make new rules and really stick with them until January 1st of the new year. And these are the rules, right? If I lost 5% anytime, anywhere, it's automatic out, right? Because that means the stock is just, it's going against me for sure. Okay. And then I don't want to be taking trades that are valued more than 10% of my portfolio. Like you see ISIG, $12 is probably 10%. That's like the max I can take right now because my portfolio is like 120 something dollars. So I can't take more than 10%. And I also have to close all the positions at the end of the day, right? I feel like since I'm holding stuff overnight and since I'm doing stuff like that, it's dogging me hard. It's locking up capital and I'm having to worry about it. So it's probably best that I take quick trades since this is a trading challenge, right? So I'm going to be taking quick trades and I'm going to be trying to get out soon as I realize that this trade is going against me. Not even 5% out. I'm trying to get out as soon as I realize it's going against me. And then, yeah, just making sure that I don't take trades that are 10% more than my account. Reason being is because there might be another opportunity that comes up and I want to be able to jump on that. Or there might be, a huge crash in the stock for some reason and I'm just not able to cut quick enough. I want to be able to not risk too much capital on that stock. So those three rules, 5% out, 10% of portfolio, and close all positions in a day. Those three rules should put me very nice in this challenge. I just have to know to stick to it, and I'm going to stick to it. I'm going to 100% stick to it till January 1st. Right now it's December 8th. So, we got about a month, something like that, 20 days or whatever, maybe 25 days. We got about a month. We're going to do it for a month for sure. And then we're going to see how it puts me. If it's not really, if I want to risk more than 10% of my account, we're going to see. But for right now, I think this is a great setup. We're going to run it, and we're going to see how it goes. So what does that mean for these two positions that I already have, DARE and OMER, because they're over 5%? It means that I'm going to let these do what they're going to do. They're going to come back, right? But anything from that point on, I'm kind of done with. We're no longer doing that anymore, okay? But to say to just lock in losses like that I don't need to lock in because they were in a different mindset, that's fine. We're just going to let those do whatever. And here we go. It's actually looks like it's squeezing right now. So we're going to wait till about 13 and we're going to get out. We got about 3 minutes till market open. So could be looking for liquidity. That might be why it's squeezing so hard. This could be looking for some liquidity before market opens. Because if they did it market open, it wouldn't be as effective maybe. I don't know. I'm not like a pro trader, so we might be trying to see here. Because because they might have to mandatorily do it at market open. So it seems like doing it pre-market when the stock's actually lower would be the best bet. So we're just getting a feel here and seeing what's going on. I really want to squeeze profit out of this last share, just because the risk to reward is there. If at any point I'm down 5%, I'm gonna go ahead and close the position, which will only leave me at like what 70-cent loss or something like that. So we're gonna see. We got 1 minute till market open here. Really looks like they're looking for liquidity to close the position, but let's see. Let's see what happens in the next minute. I think we're about to get market open right now. There's market open. And it's moving. Okay, there's 13. It looks like we're gonna be running. So I'm gonna try and hold it. So yeah, that's kind of the plan, is getting at a good price and then just let the stock go and then close it at the end of the day. That's kind of the plan. I don't really want to be getting in at the wrong price, and having the stock go against me is showing me that I got it at the wrong price. So I'm really trying to snipe good plays and be able to effectively take trades, and in that way I can really enhance my risk to reward. Yeah, a lot of volume on ISIG right now, so that's really good. Let's see how it's doing on the tops. Is it at one of the tops here? Doesn't look like it. That's okay. It's like a rejected hard off of 1217. There's 13 again. So we might be looking for 14. There's 1330. Yeah, I might be running hard today, so that's really good. Let's check the news. What are the news saying? Nothing right now. We're just going to keep our eyes on the news right now. Want some kind of news to come out. Okay, we're back above 13. See what it does. If we get 5% loss here, I'm out, remember. Looks like our entry at was good to keep us in the green though. Our position size, our average. See, we're looking to get back above 13. It looks like. Okay, we just touched 13 again. That's good news. So we should have much more. Oh yeah, we got $70 in capital right now. So we're hanging out. How great. So yeah, we're never making that mistake again, locking too much capital up in one trade. That was just dumb, but it turned out okay, luckily, right? Past 13 again. See if we can break that 1330 zone and start going to the next resistance, which is 1355, and see if we can hit 14. Yeah, so as we grow our portfolio, we'll slowly be able to take bigger trades. That's what's so important about the 10% of the entire portfolio rule. So as we're growing, we're not just staying stagnant. We're able to take bigger trades, able to take bigger stuff. Right now, we can't afford to take a trade that's, $100 a share. That's locking up all my capital. I can't do that. Okay, let's see if we can get 14 here. 80, 90. See if I can get out at 14. I'm out of there at 14.17. And that was for about $2.50 something cents profit. And I got halted. 60,000 shares on the buy. A lot of people want to buy that right now. So CYN, we're getting close. It's almost at 5%. We're going to have to cut that. Nice rebound there. Oh, back down. But I'm real interested in what ISIG is doing. If it goes, if it wants to go crazy or what it wants to do. It looks like a lot of buy orders right now. Really just wants to send it up. I'm glad I got out when I did though, because it just halted. So it might be looking to come down some. No clue, but there's a lot of buy orders right there. Not many sell orders. Nice bounce on CYN. That looks like it's coming up. Dare is just tearing me apart right now. I'm down 25% off of, must have been a $9 investment. So that's okay. OMER is also tearing me apart. Almost have to cut that. I'm at $4.92 loss. So let's see if we can. I should have taken it when it was at like 27 cents, something like that. But where's ISIG? See what it does. And that gave me enough capital. If I need to cut some losses, I'm still in the green today. And that's what's important, is staying in the green, keeping profits. So we can keep doing that, we're not going to lose. And all we got to do is just scale up, and we'll be able to have, we'll be able to increase money. We'll be able to take more money home each day by scaling up. So we got to be able to stay consistent and do everything the right way. Nice. CYN's coming back. OMER's coming back. DARE is just murdering me right now. Really waiting on ISIG though. Let's look at DARE. I might have to cut. Oh, I got to cut OMER. Sorry, buddy. We'll get you out there. You're done for. We got to respect the rule on DARE. So sorry, buddy. You're done too. And then all we got right now is CYN. Just waiting on CYN to do what I'm hoping it's gonna do. Let's look back at ISIG. Still not moving right now. So right now we're down 40 cents from those two losses, because it didn't cut at 5%. That's what I'm saying. You know, so got to stay on top of it. And because it didn't cut at 5%, I had to cut at 20%, right? So 5% is really a good indicator what the stock's doing. I've found. I really like that. I think 10% is a little too much. 5% is definitely a good indicator. It's still a little early though. Maybe somewhere between 6, 7, or 8% is really the best. But I'm really trying to keep losses small, so 5% is great for me. So let's see what this does here. ISIG. All the sell orders are gone. I mean, all the buy orders they're like vanished. I don't know why. Where they went. Oh, they're all higher. Oh yeah, 1550. There's a huge buy order. So let's see what it does. If it opens higher or what it does. But did get halted from that short squeeze. And that's why I want to stay on top of it. You know, I want to be able to look at these types of things that are going on and be able to hop in. Sometimes you're too caught up in another stock. You're not finding stuff like this. So you got to be able to stay on top of it, you know. Speaking of which, let's pull up EFOI on the right side. See what that one's doing. Any news on EFOI? Not right now. Any news on CYN? Not right now. Let's go back to ISIG. Looking to see what it does. So to me, all those buy orders higher and higher right now are telling me people are not looking to miss out. And that's a little scary to me. So I wouldn't be buying right now. But I don't know. I don't have enough experience with this type of play. But to me, I wouldn't be buying right now. If it halted like that, I wouldn't be. I'd want it to halt on the way down. But I guess we're going to see. I guess we're going to see if they get filled at the high price or what goes on. Maybe that's not even the high price. Maybe that's a low price compared to what it's about to open to or compared to what it's about to be. So, you know, just looking. I'm trying to learn from this scenario right now is what I'm doing. I'm looking at it and I'm learning what's going on. Because it already came up so much and it halted. So now we're trying to see what happens next, you know. Keep an eye on the tops if anything moves up. EFOI looks good. I mean, I might want to play that, but I kind of want to see it break out about 4.2. Still waiting on ISIG. 25 orders. That's funny. 1,000. Look to see what it does. Might be time for it to come back into play. So let's see. It might be almost done here. EFOI looks like it's gonna break out. Oh, but it didn't. Okay. But let's see. Maybe it wants to. We might want to take one of those. As soon as I see 4.22 or something like that, I'm in. Look at that. Wow, it opened higher. 1570, 1580. Wow, it's just going. $16. Halted again. Wow, look at that. Can you believe that? So why is that? Why is it that maybe just there was so much buys at that time that it's just boom, you know, and wow, look at that. So this thing might go to, where's the news at? No news. Wow, this thing might go to like 25 bucks. Seeing the way it's moving right now. Should have held that one share, but that's okay. We got our money. We're good, you know. We're happy with it. So right now we're just learning from this for the next one. We want to see something that's kind of similar. Because if the majority of that was shorting, that would mean that there's just so much buying anyways. So this stock was made to go. Looking at EFOI right now. I want to see exit of 4.22, and it didn't do it. But it looks like it's getting close. There it is, there it is, there it is. It almost barely broke out. It didn't yet, but there's not too hard of rejection right now. I think it's actually going to break through, so I might want to get 2 shares in. Oh, hold on. There you go. I'm in. So let's see what it gives us. Nice, nice, nice. See if it breaks out. Looking like, and it's out. So let's follow it. Let's see where the next resistance is. Next one's at 4.4. About there. So we're going to try and get out there at 4.4. And then re-enter. Man, so ISIG is just going nuts. Dang it. Sad about it. I should have held my 1 share. I should have held the 7. I'd be up a lot right now. Yeah, I would have almost $15 in profit. Shh. See, that's the kind of stuff I gotta recognize, and I gotta really watch for those, because those are the big trades that you can just knock out of the park, man. Oh wow, I'd have way more than that. I'd probably have like 40 bucks. Somewhere around there, like 30 maybe. 30 to 40. Yeah. Cool, so we got in at a good price on EFOI. Looking for it to do some damage now. I want it to just boom, boom out of there. I want to see that. I want to see it hit 4.4. And I'm selling at 4.4. But then if it's not really getting rejected too hard, if it's kind of hanging out around there, I'm gonna get back in. Might just get back in with one share and then wait to see if I should average down on the second one. Man, that's just so crazy with ISIG. So the kind of buying volume that it had, I mean, it just, or maybe that's shorts. Shorts are looking to, they just had to get out, so they covered all that ground. Maybe that's what it was. Not sure. See if it still wants to go here. 17. Okay, it's coming down now, but I have no doubt it's gonna hit like 20 bucks. There it goes. Okay, I'm getting out of EFOI right now. 2 shares. I just got out. I want to see how it's acting. Yeah, ISIG is 18 now. $18 now. Man, just ruthless. Just burning ground. Okay. Nice rejection there on EFOI. I think I want to take one there. See if it holds it, I'm going to take another. If not, I'm going to be looking to average down. $19 on ISIG. It's halted again. Whoa. Dang it. Oh, there it goes. Go ISIG. Wow. Okay, so back to EFOI. Let's see if it wants to hold it. Barely winning the hold fight. Okay, I'm call that a win. So I'm gonna come back in. Looking to get filled here on the bid. Okay, we just got filled on the bid. I want to see ISIG hit like 25 bucks. That'll be nuts. Hit 19. Oh, it's gone for 20. Whoa, it's going for 20. Ah, go. Nothing too crazy on EFOI right now. You see, if I had 200 bucks, I'd be able to buy ISIG right now because it'd be 10% of my portfolio market value. But I can't, so that's okay. And I wouldn't really want to buy it right now, anyways. I'd probably want to buy it like 15. That's what I would have wanted to buy it. Okay, so we rejected higher on EFOI. So I'm going to move EFOI to my new screen over here. We're going to move EFOI over here. And then we're going to put ISIG over there. Oh, sorry. Nice. Let's see how EFOI wants to react. There we go. There we go. I want to see it keep going. Taking one there. Let's see if it wants to reject or if it wants to keep testing it. Okay, it's testing it. We're going to keep holding. Let's look at the tops. Anything on the tops? EFOI is still beating ISIG, but ISIG is going crazy. That's insane. Okay, I'm actually going to take one there on EFOI. Looking to come back in. Oh, you know, I shouldn't have took it. I should have waited till 4.4, but that's okay. I'm going to look for the dip. There's a dip with rejection. I'm going to try and get in there. See if we can get out at 4.4, somewhere around there. If it dips lower, I'm going to look to add. Yeah, it's showing strength, so I'm actually going to add on strength. Sorry, I didn't want to add when it's dipping lower. I want to add on strength. Correction. So ISIG is not wanting to pass 19 bucks right now. It looks like we're heading for 440 on EFOI. Okay, that's bad news. I'm actually going to get out there on the ask on EFOI, and we're out there. And we're going to wait until we get until it, you know, it really rejects and it wants to show that it's really strong and it's going higher, and then we'll get back in. CYN isn't really doing much, but that's okay. Alright, ISIG looks like it's calming down, so it did have its run. I'm not sure if it's going to keep running. If it does, that's so nuts. I'm like totally prepared for it to hit 20 bucks. I'm like, let's go. Love it. Love to see stocks that do that. That just shows that, you know, markets are healthy these days. You know, things get shorted like that, and then Buyers just show some type of strength and boom, the shorts are out. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So we're looking for strength on EFOI right now. You know, let's check up on CYN because it looks like I'm losing. That's okay. It got rejected pretty hard. It's still kind of chilling. I'm willing to take that. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait that out on that one. Maybe exit will be like $7, something like that. 6 something, 6:30 maybe. Okay, waiting for EFOI to show some strength here. I almost want it to break above 4.2. There it is. Let me take one right there. Get lucky and take another one. For me to take another one, I almost wanted to break above that other. Okay, there it goes. I like that rejection. I'm actually going to take that. So it looks like that was shorting. So that's good for the bull thesis when they have to cover. So we're just going to watch. Because it looks like it was just a real short-term short. So they might be covering soon once there's a good amount of strength. So we're just going to wait. Almost profited on the day. And if we can keep things rolling and moving like this, you know, oh, that's great. There's some strength. Looking for a nice jump up. If I was shorts right now, I'd almost want to cover. Looking for rejection here. If it doesn't reject, I'm out. Getting real close to my 5% cut. Okay, I'm out. Now we wait. Wait for strength, and if it shows strength again, then we'll get back in. But other than that, let's look for some other stuff. LGVN. Nah, nothing's as good as EFOI right now in terms of volatility. Might wait for the dip on this and then get in. All right, I'm in. Just going to take one, and we're going to try and scale up. Good news is we are making money, but we only have like $4 profit since the last week. Isn't that crazy? A lot of these big losers are the ones that just lock up capital, and you know they really they put you in the red big time. So you know, but I am making consistent money, so I'm only making it slightly because the losers are knocking me back so much. So these rules are to help me keep my losers out of the question, and really cut the losers fast. Looking to see here if I get down to 5%, I'm out. Good rejection there, but okay. Let's see if I can buy there. Coming in. Looking for the run up. Good. Keep it going. Taking one there. Okay. And taking one there. Very good. Cool. So ISIG looks like it's cooling off. So we're going to change this right side back to something else. Let's pull DARE up. Yeah, let's pull it up. But back to ISIG. You know, actually, DARE might be something that I might want to look at, actually. Because on the 30-minute, it's looked like it's starting to become bullish. So let's see. Let's see here what it's doing. If I get hard rejection, then we're gonna have fun there. I'm looking for some rejection. EFOI is also looking like it's rejecting to the upside. That might actually be something I want to get in first. Looking barely to have bulls in control. I'm actually going to come in right there. I'm going to take one. Just going to wait a second. See what it does. If I'm correct, I'm going to add. Okay. There looks like it's wanting to pop up. Adding on EFOI. I'm actually going to add one on Dare there. Looking for EFOI, nice strong upside. Any other top gainers? Nope. Might be looking to add on Dare in just a second here. EFOI is just hanging out right now. I got 2 on EFOI. Okay, that's max. So we're just looking to take profits on EFOI right now. Might want to add on Dare actually. If it touches it again, I'm going to add. If it touches the top of that previous candle, I'm going to add. There it goes. I'm add. See if we can get in. We didn't get it. See if we can get in again. Try again. Keep trying here. Okay, we got filled. Then we're going to wait on EFOI. We're going to look to take profits. So Dare might be something that I'd want to hold right now for a good time. So I might just let that one run, and if we hit 5% loss, I'm gonna be out. So we're just gonna hold that one for right now. EFOI looking about a almost 2% loss, but that's okay. I'm still convicted it's gonna run up, so we're just gonna hold that right now. Anything else on the tops should be looking at? No, I can't really afford that one. EFOI is looking to have some volume here. We're just going to let Dare go. Looks like we got it at a good price, so we're just going to let that go for maybe the majority of the day. EFOI. Any news? ATERLEX. No, not really any news. Looking like it's starting to show strength on EFOI. Might want to add here on Dare. I'm actually going to add one more. See if we can get filled there. We're in. That puts my market value to $7. Let's see, I got about 120, so we're still good. We're still good. EFOI might be looking at take me out there, but actually it's bouncing back, so that's okay. Check the tops again. Yeah, so the goal is to not hold those bags anymore, man. I mean, I'm just locking up too much capital. And I know, if I just watch those stocks that I'm convicted are going to reverse anyways, I can just sell and get back in at a better price. It's that simple. So I can just build my watch list with things that I'm saying, this actually looks like it's going to reverse. I'm going to wait till I get back in later. And then that's fine. We can move in it like that. Wow, ISIG last price was $20.60. That's insane. I would have had an 8. Yeah, I would have made like 56 bucks off of that. Dang it. Got some strength here on EFOI. Market value is about $8. I think I can afford to take one more. I'm actually going to take one more here. If I can even get filled. There it is. Okay, Dare's got me in the green too. We're just gonna let that one ride. I'm actually looking at a $7 average on that. I'm actually gonna buy one more on Dare. If I can even get filled. Try and take it there. A lot of shorting going on at EFOI right now. I really don't want it to run. Okay. Nice on Dare. We got filled there. Yeah, CYN isn't looking too pretty. I mean, it looks like there's just not volume. There's not like, you know, it's not really hanging out the way I'd like. But we're not going to sell it, you know. We're going to have to wait here. Wait a little bit longer. Oh, that's 7. We need 9. So we need to go to Dare. Bring 9 over here. EFOI. There we go. Let's see if EFOY wants to test that spot again. Looks like it does. Hopefully it gets rejected higher than the previous rejection. It didn't. We got about 1% left until we gotta get out of there. Oh, that was close. That was real close. EFOI is about to hit 5% loss. Oh, it made it back again. So buyers are strong on EFOI right now. It's not letting it, you know, go too far down. So that's telling me a lot. Telling me we might see a good run. Anything else going? Wow, ISIG's at 22.50, man. Too bad we don't have capital anyways. RLX is coming up. Maybe we'll look at that. Maybe we can get a quick trade here. Oh, looks like EFOI might be. Yeah, let's watch EFOI right now. Probably shouldn't be looking at 3 things at once right now. Nice. So we got to get taken back in the grain, looking for a good run. Oh, it hit the 5% loss. Sorry, FOI. You're done, buddy. All right, let's move on to something else. Not sure we should move on to. Yeah, that kind of looks like it's going down. I mean, it might jump higher, but I mean, it is rejecting. So, but we really got to be careful now. We don't want to take the 5% loss like twice in a row. That's really just nuts. So, it looks like it is rejecting, so that is bullish. So I guess we will wait for strength. Oh man, we almost have to cut Dare too. It's almost at 4%. That's looking strong. news. NUVO for air. Whoa, that's good news. Okay, I'm actually gonna come in there. See if we can get filled. We're in. Adding. Adding. If we can even get filled. Good. And that's the max that we can take for our account right now. So that was good news on they're selling air disinfectors. So stuff with COVID looks like. So it looks like the majority of that is shorting then. A lot of this is just shorting to try and keep the stock down. So we might actually see a nice big run up here. Let's check it out. Let's see what goes on. Oh no. That's okay. As long as it doesn't hit the 5% loss, we're going to be okay. Look at that. Nice rejection there. That's perfect. I need to remember on consolidations. I need to remember not to average up. Or maybe I should. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Scratch all that. We'll see. And there's almost at a 4% loss right now. Oh no. It's okay. As long as we don't hit the 5% loss, I'm okay with anything. But if the argument changes and it doesn't look bullish anymore, then I'm gonna get out before the 5%. But as long as it doesn't hit the 5%. But I'm just being very close and watching because I don't want it to turn into one of those trades again. Because I'm very mindful that dumps like this, are they're key indicators for bull runs that are about to happen. I'm very mindful of that. Nice. It was almost a double bottom. I was about to say nice double bottom there. Here we go. Got about 15 minutes till we're gonna shut the video down. FOI is going. It looks like I'm adding too early. Like if I just waited, especially on the consolidation, if I just waited, it looks like I'm adding too early. That's what it looks like. Let me write that down because it seems like I'm not buying the bottom. It seems like the majority of the time I'm buying in between on the way to the bottom. So I might should wait longer. That's what it seems like. So I'm gonna write this down. You are buying too soon. Oh shit. Okay, cool. Buying too soon. Wait a little longer for confirmation. Yeah, that works. Yeah, that's good. We'll keep it at that. All right. Almost hits my 5% loss there. And it hit it. All right. Sorry, buddy. You got to go. Cool. So we're down $1.75 today. That's okay. That is okay. Let's see our total. Let's see what we got going on right now. We got 108 plus 9 plus 5. $122. So we're still $2 up. We are cool right now. We're still at 122. Yeah, the other day we made like a $10 gain that day, which was pretty good. We made 10% of our portfolio basically that day. So that's good. You know, we have small losses like this days, then we have big days like that. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fantastic. So I'm definitely not worried about it at all. Check the tops. Anything else? Nah, just EFOI really. Buying too soon. Wait a little longer. Wait a little longer. Huh? Or maybe take profits sooner. Take profits sooner. Yeah, we'll put that. Take profits sooner. Because I think at one point I was up on EFOI just a tad bit. I don't remember. That's not too bad there on the 1 minute. See if we can get in. Come on. Ah. Rejected again. Try and get in there. Oh, I sold one instead of bought it. Looking a little bit strong there. I'm going to try and add another. No. Taking one there. Come on. Nice rejection. Huh. So maybe something to consider would be the momentum, like seems like bulls want to come in at once and bears want to come in over time. That's what it seems like. So if it's not running quickly, then I'm wrong. That's what it seems like. And I should wait for another exit. Or I should wait for another entry. That could possibly be it. Unless it's shorting. If it's shorting, its stock's just gonna drop, but then it's gonna pop right back up. You can do it, buddy. Let's go. Oh. Well, we had two nice rejections there. We had one there and we had one here. Well, it's kind of telling me that the stock's slowly but surely getting buyers in that are aggressive. So we just gotta wait till the buyers are way more aggressive than the sellers. And see, these are all things I should be looking at before I jump in the stock. I'm just jumping in. Got about 2 minutes till it's time to go. Okay, we're at 3% loss right now on EFOY. Just waiting for the bulls to just get all anteed up. They're ready to go. Another nice rejection there. So right now we got about 3 big rejections. We might see one more and then it's gonna go. So this rejection here was kind of an indicator that the stock's gonna turn around, right? And so we're looking for it to start doing those higher. So it does that one, and then that one's lower, then that one's lower. So now we're looking for this one to be less lower than those. So maybe if it does it around the same level, that's even better news. If it does it a little bit higher, that's great news. It's time to get in probably. And I'm saying all this stuff like I do it. It's like I know this stuff, but all the emotions, all the stuff, it all hits you, you know. You want to get in, you want to make money, you know, you don't want to lose, stuff like that. So all this stuff hits you, and that's why 99% of people don't make money trading. So I'm really trying to be the 1%. Really got to do it. So I got the journal, I got the sticky notes, I got the rules. We're going to do it. Just looking for it to hit the 5% loss, and it hit it. Sorry, we're out. All right, so now we're down $2.63 on the day. Ouch. That's okay. That's only a little bit less than 2%. That's okay. If we can take 3% days, like 3% days, 5% days, 10% days, and then we're down 3%, I'll take that 100%. Give me that every day. So now that we got the rules, we're kind of implementing the rules. It's time to get used to the rules, and then we're gonna start sending it. We're gonna really be careful with our trades, really check out things, you know, and see how things are going. Because right now we're sitting at about Sitting about $120 right now. Okay, so still good, but we got to get better. We just got to get better. Entering a trade like this, it's not smart. As you can see, the stock's still going down. It's still red in the 5 minute. You see how it's going? That's not smart. We should be entering when there's clear reversal indicators like there's about to be. And it's just so funny that I'm able to see it and I can't do it still. So we got to be able to, and I can do it. I'm making money. But the thing is it's such a small gain. It's going to take forever to hit $1,000, okay? It's not going to take forever if I'm able to see the gains on things like ISIG, the one that ran from $12. Actually, it ran from like $10 all the way to $22. It's not going to be a small gain. That's going to be a very large gain if I'm able to see those coming in. So I got to be able to see those indicators. I got to be able to take advantage of them. And then we got to send it. We got to grow the account. Otherwise, this is going to be like 500 videos trying to get to $1,000, which, whatever. But that's not entertaining to watch. That's not very efficient. So many things. So we can get good at trading. We're going to get good at trading. I'm going to call my mentor. I'm going to talk to him and tell him what's going on, see if he's got any tips for me. And yeah, that's that. We're going to let these two trades roll right now, CYN and DARE. They're going to get closed out before 3 o'clock today. Yeah, basically it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Today's Wednesday, so we got 2 more days, then it's the weekend. Let's see how we do tomorrow and the next day, okay? We're going to try and stick to these rules 100% till January 1st, no exceptions. And we'll see how that gets me, all right? Take it easy. Thanks for watching, Dip Snipers.